Hi! Okay, so this is my friend Natalie. I'm at her house and I'm currently doing this on her computer. It's been a heck of a long time since I've actually made a video because my computer sort of died. I've also gone to my very first YouTube gathering, which is like cool. I met like really cool people. I just kind of want to get you updated on my life a little bit. I'm doing Running Start this year, so it's going to be like hecka stressful. And by the way, I got a job. Not very exciting, but important news to know. What are you doing? Oh, you're using powdered sugar for lemonade?
No, that's the only sugar we have. I'm sorry.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do the thing that I've been seeing a lot of people do on their videos. I'm gonna make a video to me when I'm 30, and I'm not gonna watch it until I'm 30. Hello, future Haley. But yeah, there's been a lot of happened. I have bangs now. I'm in school, not right now, but school started for me. I hope that you have finally pursued your dreams, that, you know, you went on and with your music and you got to write songs for really famous people, and that you got to do, you know, play in really cool situations and play music for really big artists. I hope that has happened for you, because right now that future is kind of looking kind of glim, because your main focus right now is just to get through school and hopefully maybe become a dentist for your last option. Anyways, future Haley, I hope you actually have a car and money and a husband and kids, because that'd be kind of depressing just ending up as a cat lady. Because if you are a cat lady, I would cry epically if I actually knew that my entire life was based on being a cat lady. Yes, you have 2 adorable cats now. Hopefully they're still alive and well when you're older. And so, again, future Haley, I hope that you have a better quality and a better figure and a more big self-esteem on yourself, because right now you have a pretty low self-esteem on yourself, and the way you look at yourself is like blah. Hopefully your hair isn't gray. That'd be awesome. And hopefully you have a really good friend. I don't want you to be lonely and a loner and whatever other word that describes lonely. Hopefully you still have lemonade in the future, because that's one of your favorite drinks ever. I hope you still drink iced tea too. And one of your biggest dreams was to go to Australia, so you best have gone to Australia before you're 30. I mean, come on, that's a little extreme to never go to Australia. I mean, Australia is like the best country in the world.
Yes,
I mean, yes, heck yes, kangaroos. And I hope that you are less stressed out and don't let things bother you so much like they do now, because you're really stressed out. I mean, come on. Come on. Like, hopefully you've seen a change in our culture. Future, where you are, all the people around you like aren't all thinking about themselves. Maybe they're thinking about other people, and there's more charities, and you know, people are getting cared for, and that you're doing a good thing, that you're doing something progressive in this world. Hopefully that you've actually done something worthwhile. Well, it looks like I have no fingers. That you are happy and not depressed, and that you're still alive. Otherwise, this video would be kind of pointless. Goodbye, future Haley. Have a good life.
There's a bug frozen in the ice right here in this ice cube. Can you see it?
Hello, future Haley. Hopefully in the future there'll be no bugs on our planet. So maybe this is completely new to you, since like for 15 years you're like, I have never seen a bug.
We're out of sugar. Oh,
Making lemonade right now. It's a very intense process.
I'm gonna make a video like that.
This is called a vlog.